Stevie Ray. Here they are. Is that the best service we got, Steve? Your name is Steve. What's your name, Steve?
Stephen J. Romanowski.
And you're Daniel?
Daniel LeBlanc.
Wow. David Allen Romanowski.
And you're Pastor?
Pastor Michael.
Pastor Mike Warner.
Come on.
Clavicle, your collarbone.
It's getting better.
Is it getting better?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Steve.
Hi.
You still look skinny. I like your hair.
Why? Thank
It
you,
looks
thank you, Marcia.
I like it short. I want to get some pictures too.
There's less upkeep.
Less upkeep is right. Keep it short if I were you. Hi.
Marcia.
Get you in
Oh,
here.
David.
God, it's been a while since I've seen you.
Well, the last time I seen you, your
Get
face
together
was
with David so
purple.
I can get a picture of you.
Hi, Susan.
Oh my God, David, you look good.
I got a military cut.
Oh,
Well, I like both your hair short.
I do too.
One of Mike's
to see
secretaries
you.
buzzed me down.
Gosh, it's
Well, I
been
like
years.
it. It
Like
looks good.
20 or
Where's your
30
shoulder?
years?
At least.
Right here.
Are you
I
still
got-
out in Arizona?
Yeah.
Stevie Ray, give her a hug.
Oh,
It's fractured. in
Give
5
her a hug,
places.
Stevie Ray.
yes.
A couple of black guys beat him up.
Four
I
of
know.
them did.
Probably
Four of
hurts like hell, don't it?
Hopefully they're in
Hi,
jail by
David.
now.
They were
Well, the last
caught.
time I
You know,
seen you, your face was
They were
purple.
wanted for murder also.
Yeah, it was purple,
Remember?
purple and
Steve,
red.
you gotta stay out
Purple,
of
and you
the,
looked horrible. Your head was
dregs of
sticking
the
out
earth.
like you put it.
We had all kinds,
Like
and we got
socket.
donuts, leftover donuts from the morning. You guys want some
And what
donuts?
happened to your nose? Your nose got
might.
broke.
Yeah, I
I got donuts,
jumped
but
when I was
just
over
left
there.
over. Hi.
And your name is?
Susan Comer. Hi, Mike.
And who are you?
I am David and Steve's sister.
And how long has it been since you saw him?
Oh God, probably 20 years for David and Steven, 2 years.
All right.
I
So-
hope we can go to Latinas
Why
again.
didn't you go? Yeah,
One of these days. Oh
Yeah.
God, I hope I didn't lock myself out of the car.
Oh,
Did you put your?
who's Mike
car
Guitarski? I've never met him.
No,
You can
Oh,
do
you're
that.
Mike Guitarski.
Mike,
What is your
he's
name?
Marsha,
Steve, I do.
Okay.
Steve's David's sister. That's your bag of stuff.
I'm herding cats here. We got the red table.
This is Mike Warner.
That's Mike Warner. I've talked
Hi.
with you on the phone, and
Right,
I've
we've
talked
talked-
with Mike, but it's been a long time.
All right,
There's just a couple. There's
We're gonna head to the
pancakes.
table. Steve,
Yeah.
Dave, you
Well,
want to help her carry
how long
that?
Can you guys
You
stay?
wanna
Maybe
help carry
at least
that?
an hour?
I don't know. Let's see. Why?
Okay.
What's the matter?
I just wondered.
Well, here's.
I lost my
Stuff.
sunglasses. I was
Oh,
looking for
all right. Thank
I brought those bananas. They're speckled. I don't like